Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use your OTC card at Walmart. Before you start shopping, there is one important thing you need to know. Not every item sold by Walmart is eligible for OTC benefits. In fact, most items on Walmart are not covered by your OTC card. When you are shopping online, look for a badge or label that says Benefits Program Eligible or something similar. You can usually find this under the product description or in the product details section. If you do not see this label, there is a good chance that the item is not eligible for OTC benefits. Once you find an eligible product, add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. During checkout, go to the payment method section. Select the option called Add a Benefit Card. Enter your OTC card information and apply it as your payment source. Walmart will use the available balance on your OTC card to pay for eligible items in your order. If you are shopping in a Walmart store, the process is also simple. When you are ready to pay, you can scan your OTC card at the payment terminal just like a regular debit card. If you are checking out with a cashier, simply let them know that you would like to pay using your OTC card. If the total amount of your purchase is higher than the balance available on your OTC card, you can use another payment method to cover the remaining amount. For example, you can use a debit card or credit card that you have already added to your Walmart account. Thanks for watching.